Now, dear students, we are going to design our custom symbol. So for doing that, we need KiCad has a very great tool for designing your symbols, that is symbol editor over here. Under the schematic you see over here, this is a symbol editor tool. Simply click on this and this will open up the symbol editor. This is our symbol editor. This is one way to open this tool. Let me show you another way. Let me close this. And the second way is, let's first of all open the schematic editor. For opening the schematic editor, KiCad has a requirement that you should have some project, a project running in your project manager. So let's open the project. We were doing work on this get started. So let's just double click it and we have opened the project. And let's open this KiCad schematic. And in the KiCad schematic, on the top toolbar you see over here this button, create, delete and edit symbols. Simply click on this. This will also open the symbol editor for drawing the your custom symbols. So let me just close this also, and let's close this project. And now let's start our work by going to this symbol editor. So this is our front look of the symbol editor. On the left side in this pane you can see over here, these are list of all the libraries that KiCad offers us. The first thing while designing the symbol is, first of all you have to create your own library. For creating your own library, the thing is you have to go to file and click on this new library and choose your location wherever you want to choose your location. So let's name this library as get underscore started. After writing the name of your library, hit save. Now you will see on the left side that we have created our library get started. If we click on this, you see that there are no components, no symbols added in this library. That if I click on this FPGA Xilinx library, and you can see over here, these are all the symbol libraries that are present, symbols that are present in this library. So over here we have to now add new symbol. First of all, for our easiness, let me pin this on the top by right click and pin library. So this will always remain on the top whenever we will be opening our symbol editor. So in this get started library, we have to add new symbol. In order to add new symbol, over here right click on this, you can go over here and click this new symbol or hit N on your keypad. So let's click on this. So it asks for symbol name. Let me show you the symbol for which we are going to design is this switch. You can see over here in the DG key. This is the part number of the switch for which we are going to design our symbol. And I have opened the data sheet over here, which says, if you scroll down, this is a single pole single throw switch, and that has a model name M201, and this is the symbol shown over here. So we will be consulting this data sheet for even designing our symbol as well as our footprint. So let's just we want to KiCad asks us for symbol name. So the symbol name is we can say it as single pole single throw underscore switch underscore nkk. And you can also add this part number at the end of this name by adding underscore and pasting this part number. The next thing, it also derive from existing symbols default reference designator. As this is a switch, then we will be using SW. Number of units per package we are going to design our symbol in a single unit, so it will be one. So keep the remaining settings as it is and hit OK. You can see over here that we have added symbol into our library. So let me just select this, hit M to move this on the side, hit M, and let's move on the side. And on the left side in the get started library, you can see that we have added our symbol, single pole symbol, single throw switch, and with the part number this one. So you see a little static star with the library and symbol, which means that we haven't saved our work. So make sure to save your work. Click by clicking on this button, save all changes.